Where are we at, Kels?
We are at Splash Country, right? Splash Country in Dollywood. It is Monday. I don't even know what the date is. First day of the trip.
And it's time to get in the water park.
Yeah! Ray, do your jump!
Let's go get wet.
Ruben says, I can't wait to go down the slide with Bubba.
Absolutely. That's what the people want to hear. Alright, we just finished lunch and now we're heading back into the park. Having a lot of fun. We'll keep showing you guys some of the shots that we've been getting with the fam jam. But Dollywood's really fun. Just know if you're trying to get like a cabana or something like that, try and reserve it online because they book up really fast. We tried to do that, but there was no openings. So we just, found just a spot over by one of the kiddie pool areas. They got picnic tables in front though of the park, so we actually brought our own bag lunches. They won't let you bring lunches or coolers into the park, but you can come out to your car. We grabbed a cooler, it's like so, and we went and sat at the picnic tables, ate, and then we're going back in, so if you want to save a little bit of money. So there's a little insider tip for you, but let's get back to the fun. Let's go get wet.
Like I can push and say yeah. No point, no blaming. So great, wanna do this right. I don't know why I did what I did. Somehow I think that I lost my head. Don't know why. Don't know why. I realize when I'm with you, I wanna do what it takes to make you see. Make you see. For everything.
So when you're at an amusement park or a water park, there's only one way to finish the day. Dippin' Dats. It's a tradition. I always finish it just like this. And we'll go to an amusement park later this week and I'll do the same thing. Well, today was an absolute blast. We swam in pools, went in water slides, ate good food, had a good time with family. That's what it's all about. And now we're gonna eat dinner and then probably just chill for the rest of the night. So this is the sign off. If you have not subscribed to our channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button, put a big like, and comment if you guys have ever been to Dollywood's water park. We'll see you at the next episode. Peace.